Hello and welcome. My name is Salimah, yoga therapist. If we're just meeting for the first time, welcome aboard. This is where we work on Kundalini yoga for healing and transformation. If you're familiar, you know that I'm a yoga therapist. Also, I consult in numerology. And this channel is really an opportunity for us to connect and to practice together. I answer questions on a weekly basis, and these are based on your email, so keep them coming. The question today is, why is Kundalini yoga so powerful? So let me answer that. 3 different ways to answer that question. Number 1 is that it's about Satnam. Satnam, loosely translated, means truth is my name. And this practice, this mantra, is embedded in almost every single practice that we do, either part of the practice itself or at the very end. That's how we end. It's a closing mantra. And that mantra, Satnam, is really a compass. And when you chant a mantra like that, asking for the truth, being holden to the truth, then the truth starts to emerge. And that's somewhat of a challenging thing and also somewhat of a graceful thing. It's a challenge when truth comes up that's difficult to accept. It's beautiful and graceful when truth comes up and we're willing and wanting to accept it and to move forward with it. So that's what makes it very powerful on a spiritual, emotional, mental level. That's the way that we grow and change, is to be confronted with new information and then adapt. So that's called a Satnam. Number 2 is that process itself is very transformative. When we run up against things that we're not familiar with or become uncomfortable with, we start to do interesting things. We create boundaries. We change, we grow, we make different decisions. We say things differently, we express differently, we attract differently. And all of that is a very powerful, transformative experience. And here's the key to it all. If you practice Kundalini yoga for 40 days, the same Kriya, the same meditation for 40 days, that change and that transformation is pretty much guaranteed. It's kind of nice to have something that you can start and end with and know that change is coming, especially when you're in a situation where you're wanting and desiring change. So that's number 2 of what makes it so transformative. It's a technology. And as a technology, it's guaranteed to work. I'm living proof. Number 3, we use the 5 different components of yoga all combined into one practice. Number 1, movement, asana. Number 2, meditation, a very powerful way to move the mind. Number 3 is the breath, pranayama. Number 4 is mantra. And number 5 is relaxation. These 5 components, give or take 1 or 2, are involved in every single type of practice in the Kundalini tradition. So you're getting the benefit of not just one style of yoga, but actually 4 or 5. Really intriguing to know that mantra has a powerful effect on the body and the mind, just as meditation does. And breath work has just as much impact on the body as movement does. And when you combine all of that, it becomes truly transformative. And those elements coming together is really what shifts consciousness. And when our consciousness shifts, we're able to move ourselves, make decisions that are a little more mindful, a little more engaged in how the world unfolds around us. It's really powerful. I wish you well on your journey. And if you want more information, you can check out our website at YogaVision.com. If you're looking to speak with me directly, book a consult, a numerology consult. And you can find that link on our website at YogaVision.com. Lots of love to you, and I welcome you into this journey. If you'd like to take things a little further, you can always join up for our Kundalini Yoga Teacher Training Program. And that will definitely teach you the tools and techniques that you need to run consciousness through your life. Satnam, and I'll see you next time.